This is how to prepare a pineapple. Pineapple, biggest producer of pineapples is a country called Hawaii, which is an island off the coast of America, 51st state of America. These actually grow in the ground, and they're grown vertically. So this is the top, this is the bottom, and this is the tail and the top of the pineapple. First thing that we do is take the top off it, cut straight through, and we can keep that because we can use this to decorate puddings and such. So just give it a quick wash and we can use that later. We also take the tail of the pineapple, and you can already smell the nice flavour coming from it. Now we have to take the outer shell of the pineapple as well. So if we put the tail end to the top, because the bottom part is wider, always have the widest part to the bottom for stability. What we're going to do is we're going to follow this outside edge. It's roughly about 1 centimetre from the edge, and we have to cut this whole side off all the way around and try and keep it as even as possible. The core of the pineapple, the centre part, is very hard, so we don't want to eat that either, and we're going to cut that out. You can have corers which are used in industry, however we're going to cut it out manually, which means we can't get it round. We're going to make it into nice shapes. So first of all, we take it in from about here and cut round evenly, following the curve of the side of the pineapple, because we're not going to use this outer bit because it's very tough. And we're cutting all the way around, keeping the board clean as we go. Another one. As you can see, we've actually quite a lot of waste with a pineapple, so always make sure that you're going to take your time when doing this and get it right, because you don't want to waste any more than you have to. You've got a nice edge in it, cutting off the base, cutting off these little black bits. And then we've got the inside of the pineapple nicely done. If you see one of these, just take that off. We're going to cut it into slices. We're going to cut it this way. We've already got a flat edge to work with. What we're going to do is cut through, straight through the centre. This one's nice and ripe. And you want to see about 1 centimetre in thickness, so about that thick. Cut the whole pineapple up at once. Try and keep the knife straight as you go cutting through the core. Cut through, nice and soft this one. And then in order to get the core out, what we're going to do, stack these on the side out of the way. We're going to do them one at a time. And what we're going to do is cut it in half, and we're going to then cut this dark circle area out, because that's the hard bit. Just make a little V shape, so we have that left. Again, same in this one. Always cutting onto the board. These centre parts can be discarded. So again, cut it in half through the centre, little V shape, and stack it. Half. And stack it. We do this with all the pineapple, and we can then cut it further into small chunks which we can put into a salad. Nice and soft.